Hello everyone. In this video I will show you steps to upgrade your MySQL from 5.7 to MySQL 8. So here we will see a step-by-step process. So first of all, what we will do, we will remove the existing MySQL. So we will use the command sudo apt-purge. So after removing the existing MySQL installation, we are going to install some essential packages. So you can run this command sudo apt install So all these commands are also available in the description of this video. So the next we are going to run sudo apt-key. Now let's add repository source for MySQL 8. So the command is echo and we will add this repository source to this file. Now we are going to run the update command. Now this is the command where we will install mysql-server and mysql-client. Okay, so we need to add, let's remove it. So now I executed the command without specifying -y. So here I will write the root password. So installation part is done. Now let's check the version of newly installed MySQL. So first of all, let's see the service status. So as you can see, MySQL is running. That's great. So now let's check its version number. Now if you can see, it's version 8.0.25. So we have successfully installed MySQL 8. Thank you very much for watching.